Task 1. Task 2. Task 3. This Flutter app adds random numbers to a list and displays them on the screen. The My App class is the main widget, setting up material theme settings, while My Homepage, which is a stateful widget, manages the dynamic list of numbers. In My Homepage state, Insert New Number function generates a random number between 0 and 100 and adds it to the list. The Scaffold widget structures the app. An app bar at the top, a column in the center showing numbers aligned right, and a floating action button for adding numbers. Using main axis size.min and cross-axis alignment.end with center aligns the number to the right, keeping them centered both vertically and horizontally on the screen. In this updated version of the Flutter app, adjustments have been made to the layout to position content at the top right corner of the screen. Instead of using a center widget to center the column of numbers, we now use an align widget with alignment.topRight. This change places the column at the top right, creating a different layout from the previous centered design. With this modification, we also removed main axis size.min and cross-axis alignment.end from the column since alignment is now managed directly by the align widget. Each number in the list is still displayed with right padding to maintain spacing consistency, and the floating action button at the bottom right remains the same, allowing the addition of random numbers between 0 and 100. The app bar and number styling are unchanged, preserving the app's functionality while shifting its layout. In this version of the Flutter app, a container is used to wrap the column, allowing it to fill the entire screen width and height with width double infinity and height double dot infinity. This change ensures the layout is responsive while keeping the numbers aligned to the right using cross-axis alignment.end. Each number still has right padding for consistent spacing. The app bar and floating action button remain unchanged, preserving the functionality to add random numbers between 0 and 100. Overall, the app maintains its structure and style, but now features a full screen layout with a right aligned list. On October 23 at 15:20, the following changes were made to the Flutter app. The center widget was replaced with a container for improved layout control. The container now fills the entire screen, while the column aligns its children to the right using cross-axis alignment.end. The children of the column display a list of random numbers, each wrapped in a padding widget for spacing. On October 24 at 12:20, The previous version of the Flutter app, which used the center widget to position content centrally, was updated. This led to excess vertical space due to an unrestricted column. The new version replaces the center widget with a container that aligns content to the top right, creating a more dynamic layout. The column now utilizes main axis size.min, allowing it to occupy only the necessary vertical space, enhancing compactness. The container maintains full height for consistency across devices.